of Standard 7 Science. In previous video, we studied about different adaptations. So in this video, we will continuing with adaptations in forest and grassland plants. So let's continue with forest regions. In forest regions, the trees are very tall. To grow tall, they need more sunlight. And for that sunlight, for that competition of sunlight, the trees are growing more tall and tall. The trees are very tall in forest regions. Next, the spring-like tendrils. What is a tree? On that spring-like tendrils are there. And this is the example of adaptation of forest regions. Further is grassland plants. In grassland, you find lot of bushes and grasses. Bushes means small plants. Okay, so they have fiber-like roots. Okay, so they have that roots to prevent the soil erosion. The soil erosion means what? The decrease in the quality of soil. It's called soil erosion. Okay, so on the equatorial region, that is, you can see here now. This is the earth, and center of the earth is called equator. So on this equatorial region, there are big trees or big bushes, sorry, not trees, big bushes and big grasses, for the reason that animals like elephants and tiger could hide behind them. Okay. And in cold region, the grasses or bushes are very short, so that animals like rabbits can hide behind them. Next part is ingestion of food. Ingestion means taking inside and egestion means giving outside. So ingestion of food. Basically plants are fixed in the ground and they are autotrophic. Auto means they prepare their own food. So they are anchored or fixed in the ground. Now the example is dodder, cuscuta. It is also called as cuscuta. It is basically parasitic, saprotrophic. Okay. It depends on dead organisms. So it has yellow-like wire stems, yellow wire-like stems here. I don't have any yellow color, so I have used blue color. It has yellow-like wire, like yellow stems it has. Okay. It also has the roots to take the substances, important substances or nutrients which are important for its growth. And those roots are called as hostorial roots or sucking roots. Hostorial roots or sucking roots. Fungi. Fungi do not have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is basically a green color substance which gives the color to the plant. So fungi do not have chlorophyll and it doesn't perform the function of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means it is a process of making food by plants. So it gets food from starchy substances which have more carbohydrates. In grade 5 you have learned about carbohydrates, minerals, proteins, vitamins. Yes. So it gets food from more starchy foods, that is food having more carbohydrates like bread and bhakri. Next, this most important part. Na? Plants need nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium for their growth. Plants need nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium for their growth. But the plants which like Venus flytrap, which grow in nitrogen deficient soil. Nitrogen deficient soil means the soil in which there is lack of nitrogen or there is no nitrogen or less nitrogen present. So such plants, Venus flytrap, grow in nitrogen deficient soil. Then it doesn't get nitrogen. Then from where does it get nitrogen? Yes, it gets the nitrogen by eating the insects or by consuming the insects. It gets nitrogen. Clear? Now we'll take a quick recap what we have studied in today's video. First is forest regions. Trees and shrubs are at tall height because there is competition for sunlight. An example is spring-like tendrils. In grassland region, we studied that there are a lot of grasses and bushes. Yes, they have fibrous roots, fiber-like roots to prevent the soil erosion, that is to prevent the decreasing quality of soil. In the equatorial region, the grasses and bushes are tall so that animals like elephants and tigers can hide behind them. But in cold region, grasses and bushes are short so that animals like rabbits can hide behind them. Next part we studied about ingestion. In ingestion we studied that plants are fixed or anchored in the soil and they are mainly autotrophic, as they prepare their own food. Example is dodder plant, or we say it as cuscuta. It is parasitic. Yes. Next is it has yellow wire-like stems. Yes. Okay. It also has roots to absorb the essential substance or essential nutrients. And those roots are called as hostorial roots or sucking roots. Fungi has no chlorophyll. Yes, no chlorophyll. It doesn't perform the function of photosynthesis. It gets the food from starchy foods like foods rich in carbohydrates like breads and bhakaris. Also, plants need basically nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium for their growth. But the plants like Venus flytrap, which grow in nitrogen deficient soil. Nitrogen deficient soil. That means the soil in which there is lack of nitrogen or no nitrogen or less nitrogen present. Such plants which are growing in such soil like Venus flytrap, they get the nitrogen by consuming or eating the insects. Clear this video? Yes, good. Clear all these concepts up to now? Okay, if any doubts are there, any problems are there, you can contact me and clear your problems. Till then, enjoy this video, watch this video every day, jot down the important points in a notebook so that it will make you easy for studying later on the topic. Okay, till then enjoy, take care, stay home, stay safe, and take a quick recap of this.